How to link Facebook page to Messenger. The first things first is you actually don't need to do anything with this kind of method, but there is actually one thing that you'll need to make sure first. So the first thing that you will do is make sure that you are already switched to your Facebook page. For example, this one. Now, once you have successfully switched, all you have to do is to scroll down from your page profile and go to settings and privacy, and then go directly to settings. Now from settings, just scroll down a bit till you find how people can find and contact you. All you have to do is just simply tap on that. As you can see, there are three options that you can see, which is going to be allow search engines outside Facebook to link to your page, allow your page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages, and then lastly is the messaging to allow people to message your page. Now, these options, you'll just have to make sure that all these three options right here are enabled. You should be able to know if these settings are turned on because it is going to be indicated as blue color. It's going to be white if you turn it off, and then all you have to do is just to press on that again to enable it. So that's it. That's how you link your Facebook page to your Messenger.